Alright, so hey y'all, what is good? What's going on? Thank you for tuning back to my channel. Sorry about that. If this is your first time, please make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I would very much appreciate it. We will be making some big changes, especially 2022. So make sure y'all are subscribed and got y'all notification bell turned on so you can see what your girl got coming for my channel. So this box I purchased from my twin from AMBLAVISH. If you can't tell by the sticker, this is her sticker, AMBLAVISH. I will have the link to her website down below in the description box. But I had brought her $15 mystery box, and this is how it came packaged. I already took the tape off, so don't mind that. I did not look at it, so I do not know what's in there. So we are going to unpack everything together. Y'all would see my face, but I just woke up, and y'all already know how morning face look. We don't always wake up how we say we wake up. So this is the box. Let's open and see what we have inside. If you want to see, stay tuned. Alright, so opening the package up, and if y'all hear some crying, that is my son. He is sitting on top of me. Well, he's on me, so he might be crying. This is the box, sneak peek. So I'm going to put it to the side, and I'm going to show you everything one by one. Again, this is her $15 mystery box. I do not know if she still has it on the website. If she does, she will comment it down below, or I will put it in the description box, the exact direct link to it. So anyway, she has like, I forgot the prices, $1, $3, $5, $10, $15 boxes, mystery boxes, if you guys are interested. So the first thing that I got was this package here, and this says it is a orange cream lip care kit. It looks like this, and inside it came with some Mentos, which is fruits. Then it came with a lip scrubber, it came with AMBLAVISH lip gloss. I don't know what kind this is, but it came with this lip gloss. I don't know if I'm showing it right. I'm sorry, y'all. It's at a different angle today. We have the orange cream lip balm. Thank you. Yes. And we also have a Starburst, strawberry Starburst. And we have the orange lip scrub, which is packaged like this. And it's cute because her bag is personalized with her name on it. It also comes with a spatula to help you spatula it out. Scoop it out. And this is what that looks like. It smells really good. So that is the lip cream lip care kit. I'm going to keep the balm out. I need that right now. Put that back in there. And the next thing I got, she can tell me what it is because it doesn't have a label. But it is this yellow and green body scrub. That's what it was. It's a body scrub because I put it on my lips. This is a body scrub. And it smells really, really good, like pineapple. So I'm guessing there's some sort of pineapple scented in there. Smells really good. And I love her body scrubs because they leave your skin so freaking soft. This is a white one. Maybe she can tell us the names on the bottom. It smells really nice and fresh. I love the smell. It smells so good. I'm about to smell it right now. Yes. Whew. I don't know what it is, but it smells like pineapples again. That is that one. Then she sent me this Revolution. This is Golden Sugar 2 Rose Gold. This is a blush palette. This is what the shades look like in there. I'm not going to open it, but I am interested to see the shades and pigmentation. I already tried this one out, y'all. This is the Cocoa Vanilla Swirl Body Milk. And it has some shimmer to it. So for them summer days, we want to look highlighted. We also have body milk. This is powder fresh. I love this scent, y'all. If y'all don't get anything else, get her body butters and her body scrubs, because they are freaking amazing. There he go. Then we have this Little Miss Sunshine body milk. It came in this packaging right here. And there goes the label. It came with this lip gloss. I have some AMBLAVISH tweezers for my lashes. It has her logo on the thing right here. I have a Morphe E42 makeup brush. Looks like somebody trying to get me back into makeup again. I also have, okay, so next we have the Airspun. This is a loose highlighter, and this is in the shade Glow for Gold. Then we have this product here. I don't know what it is yet, but we're about to find out. Okay, this is a kit, some sort of kit. Okay, so we have some stickers. We have the AMBLAVISH Life sticker. We have her contact information. So y'all can get the contact information right here. Let me see if I can turn it around for you guys, so you guys can see it. That is all her contact information, but like I said, I will have it down below if you guys are interested. And we have the P. Louise Mitchell in Nitro, which I'm pretty sure I have. We have this lip gloss right here. Looks like one of the Zodiac collection ones. Looks like this. And then we have some lash adhesive, which of course I already have. And this is in black. So that came in that kit right here. And again, I will have her stuff right here. Then we have a Beauty Creations Esmeralda 2 palette. And this is what those colors look like. So very neutral, very fall ready. Y'all ready? And y'all, I don't know if I said this, but I paid for all of this with my own coins. So some of it was extras. This is the Profusion Fuchsia 10 shade palette. These are the shades. And it looks like this. And I don't know if she knew before sending this stuff, but I'm not really into makeup anymore. But I will still use it. This is the Milani palette. This is what that looks like. We have another Beauty Creations palette. This is the Hot Fire eyeshadow palette. And that is what this one looks like. Sorry about my ring light. This is a lot of stuff, y'all. Y'all better get on it. If it's still there, go right now. This is the Too Faced No Filter Selfie Powder palette. Looks like this. And this is Light Filtering Photo Enhancing Powders. Then we have these lashes here in the style King. Now, I'm not really big on big lashes anymore, but what I can do is probably cut them down size or so and see, but I'm gonna see what it looks like on before I try to chop them down. Then we have this, which is nicely bubble wrapped. Don't know what it is, about to figure it out as soon as I find out how to open it. I know I have some scissors around here. Oh, don't need none. Okay. All right, I was actually gonna buy this from her site, but y'all, look at this. Sorry. This says, pretty bitch. That's me. So this is the necklace, which is also on her site, y'all. So y'all go ahead and get this. Look how pretty it is. Oh, I'm definitely wearing it. Every video, wearing it. Then we have this lavender facial spray. Smells just like lavender. Just like lavender. We have a keychain. We have a keychain, y'all. This says love. Then it has this puffer ball on it. It has for y'all with nails. This is why I wanted this. For y'all with nails. I'm starting doing my nails on this channel too. So this is a credit card picker holder thingy, so you can pull it out the machines. And then we have extra shine lip glosses right here, peach flavor and strawberry flavored. So we have that. I see another Starburst. And then we have, is this the last thing? I don't think so. Yes, this is the last thing, y'all. Last thing. Okay. And these are, I think these are extras that she sent me. Yeah, they're extras. So this is the camouflage foundation from Hard Candy. I don't know if this is my shade, but we're gonna try it. And also the Maybelline foundation in 515. Let me see what shade I got in this one. For that one, I have 510. So this one might fit me a little bit better. This one, I'm gonna have to see if it doesn't fit me. I'll probably give it to my daughter, but this is in Mocha. And I haven't tried this one, just their concealers. So we have the foundation. And then lastly, ooh, yes! We have a big old tub of body scrub. I need that glove, that exfoliating glove. Let me see what this, ooh, smells so good. So good. Yes, I can't wait. I can't wait. Nice and whipped up in there. So yeah, you guys, this is everything that I got in my $15 and extra palette. I hope you guys enjoy. Again, here is her contact information if you guys want to contact her. There is a way to connect with her if you guys are interested in purchasing any of her stuff. I do recommend her glosses, her scrubs, her body butters. Y'all get your hands on it. Get your hands on it and hurry up before it's gone, because it's selling like hotcakes. So thank you guys for staying with me throughout this video. I hope you like what you've seen. I hope you purchased what you've seen. I think I have a coupon code. I will put it down below if I do. So yeah, stay tuned for more content, more videos, because I have more hauls to come out that will be uploaded soon. So stay tuned. Love you guys. Bye. Subscribe to my channel. Subscribe. You know you want to hit that bell. Why won't you hit the bell? Tap the